This is what spas are actually mixing behind closed doors. Rose petals for radiance, hibiscus for that gorgeous ruby colour, marshmallow for silk smooth skin, and rich cacao that smells like a chocolate shop. And then there's this, activated charcoal that transforms our delicate botanical blend into something that looks almost gothic but smells like a garden. A clay treatment like this easily costs $50 or more at many spas. But here's what they don't want you to know. It's literally just mixing powders in a bowl. It's that simple. 30 seconds of combining these pure plant ingredients equals to a professional face mask. I'm Lorraine, CEO of Formula Botanica, the world's leading online organic cosmetic formulation school, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create spa quality face masks using nothing but pure plant powders. For this beautiful formulation, we're keeping the equipment elegantly simple, just like the spas do. You'll need a digital scale for measuring your botanical ingredients accurately, and you'll need a bowl to mix everything in. You'll also need a spoon for combining everything gently. You might also want a coffee grinder to make your blend even finer, but honestly, most of these powders are already beautifully milled. And we've got this lovely mask application brush here, which makes the whole experience feel properly spa-like when you're ready to use your mask. Now, the important safety bits. You want a face mask to make the face mask because you need to protect your airways while you're formulating. Some of these powders, especially the charcoal, can be irritating if inhaled, and no one needs that in their spa at home, believe me. Make sure you tie back your hair and wash your hands. And gloves and apron are an essential too, particularly when working with activated charcoal because it will stain everything it touches. Your hands, your clothes, your countertops, but don't worry, it won't stain your face. And then finally, you'll need containers for storage. Powder formulations need to stay completely dry, so good storage is crucial. The beauty of this formulation is how simple the process is, but having lovely tools makes it feel like the luxury treatment it truly is. Let's create 50 grams of this spa-worthy mask together, and I want you to see each ingredient as the treasure it truly is. We'll start with 15 grams of diatomaceous earth. This might sound industrial, but it's actually from fossilized diatoms, which are tiny single-celled organisms from ancient freshwater. It's incredibly high in silica and minerals, with this amazing absorbent powder that draws impurities from your skin while providing gentle exfoliation. Next, we're going to weigh out 12.5 grams of rose petal powder. For centuries, rose has been the queen of cosmetic ingredients. This powder brings vitamin C and antioxidants and that soothing effect that balances the more intensive cleansing ingredients. Plus, you need to smell that gorgeous soft floral aroma. Now we're going to add 7.5 grams of raw cacao powder. And yes, this is the same cacao that makes chocolate. It's rich in theobromine, which has outstanding antioxidant properties. Plus it contains polyphenols and minerals, all of which can be beneficial. It makes our mask creamier and gives it that wonderful chocolatey scent that makes you want to eat it. But don't do that, obviously. Next, add 5 grams of marshmallow powder. This comes from the root of the marshmallow plant, which secretes a type of goo we call mucilage when mixed with water. This might not sound glamorous, I know, but it's absolutely brilliant for soothing and softening your skin, leaving it feeling moisturized rather than stripped. Now we're going to add 4 grams of rice powder that brings that silky, velvety feel. Rice powder is wonderful for absorbing excess oils and reducing shine, plus it temporarily minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines. It's what makes professional masks feel so smooth and refined. We are almost done. Now we're going to add 2 grams of oat silk. This is the colloidal oatmeal that's been processed until it feels like silk. It contains a compound called beta-glucan, which is nature's alternative to hyaluronic acid. It's soothing, restorative, and perfect for mature or sensitive skin. Next, we're going to add 1.5 grams of hibiscus powder. Apart from giving us that gorgeous ruby colour you can see threaded through the blend, hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants. It's also rich in vitamin C. It acts as a gentle exfoliant and it helps stimulate skin cell renewal. Now for our dramatic moment where we add the final ingredient, we're going to add 2.5 grams of activated charcoal powder. Now be careful here, charcoal is so fine that this stuff gets everywhere. And that's why we only need a small amount for it to be incredibly effective at drawing out impurities and absorbing excess oil. Just look at how beautiful that is. It's like an artist's palette in botanical and mineral powders. And now we mix everything together thoroughly in our bowl. Take your time here. You want each grain of powder to be evenly distributed so you get consistent results every time. And if you want an even finer texture, you can run small amounts of the powders through a coffee grinder, like this one. But honestly, this blend already feels beautifully smooth and professional. Now that our powders have been blended together, it looks almost volcanic in its colour. So as a final step, it's time to gently decant our powder into our jar and label it. Look how our beautiful botanical blend has transformed into this striking black mixture. It looks dramatic, but remember, it still smells like a garden thanks to all of our lovely plant-based ingredients. So take a look at this gorgeous spa quality mask that we've just created. To use it, take about a teaspoon of your powder and mix it with water, hydrosol, milk, cooled green tea, or even your favorite toner in a small bowl. You can adjust the consistency, more liquid for a thinner mask, less for a paste-like texture. And then apply it with your mask brush. It feels so luxurious and professional. Don't let it dry completely onto your skin either. If it starts to feel tight, spritz it with some water or some toner. And we can teach you how to make that too. And then before you wash it off, gently massage the mask with damp fingertips. The diatomaceous earth and the rice powder transform it into a gentle exfoliant too. This mask is suitable for most skin types, though the charcoal makes it particularly lovely for oily or congested skin. The marshmallow and the oat silk ensure it won't leave your skin feeling stripped or tight. So store your powder blend in an airtight container away from moisture and it will keep for months. You can customize it endlessly. Swap hibiscus for strawberry powder, or try different clays, or add powdered chamomile for sensitive skin. So there you have it. Spa quality face mask that you can make and use at home instead of spending over $50 at a spa. And this really shows you that luxury skincare is often about beautiful, simple ingredients rather than complicated chemistry. You can find the full blog post, the exact names of the ingredients and their percentages, our supplier recommendations, and a free downloadable PDF with the recipe linked below. And if you're ready to explore more spa-worthy formulations, join our free formulation course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what other formulations you want to see us make in the comments. Remember, everyone can formulate. We all begin with just one formulation, and once you see how easy it is, you'll realize how simple it can be to make more. Today, you've seen that the best skincare formulations often come from the simplest, most beautiful ingredients. So until next time, happy formulating!